Hello everyone, today let's learn how to create a shaking bell notice effect. When there are new emails or replies, designers often try to find ways to grab the user's attention. So, how can we make users notice these notifications? There are two common methods, using a red dot or using a bell icon that shakes. The shaking bell icon tends to be more noticeable and can effectively draw the user's attention. Next, let's set up the widgets. First, make the top bar, drag in a rectangle to create the background. Then there is a logo made of image, followed by the website name, and then the slogan. On the right is an avatar, a bell, and a search icon. Next, let's set up the interactions. Add loaded interaction to the page. First, rotate the bell clockwise by 30 degrees and add a 100 millisecond animation. This sets the default position of the bell. Then select the bell and add the loaded animation. Rotate this 60 degrees counterclockwise, add a 100 millisecond animation. Wait for 100 milliseconds. Rotate this clockwise by 60 degrees. Wait for 100 milliseconds. Finally, fire event this loaded. Change the fill color of the bell to orange. Preview the prototype. You can see the bell constantly shaking. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.